how to create an event on Facebook. First of all, let's navigate and open the Facebook app on your device and log into your account. Once you are in, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and from this menu, scroll down to find event and tap on it. Here you will find already existing events, and if you want to create a new one, tap on the plus icon at the top right to start up your event. Now you can add your event cover photo to make it engaging. Next, you will find the event name text bar, so type the name. Select the event starting month and date and also a specific time. You can add event and time, repeat date, or change the time zone. Choose whether you want the event to be in person or online depending who you want to invite. Next, add a description to let people know what the event is about. At the bottom, you can select your event category from the provided list. You can add a co-host from your friends list, and in the chat with guests, you can connect your WhatsApp group members for chat. And lastly, you can check these communication settings accordingly. Once everything is set up, tap on create event to publish it. Within a moment, the event will be launched. And that's it. Your event is now live and you can start inviting people to join on Facebook. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.